When working with problems involving fraction computation, start by thinking about what you know about whole number computation, then move to fractions. Additionally, it will help to use models or drawings to visualize the problem. Let's walk through this process using multiplication. In this problem here, you can see I have two groups of 8, which is a total of 16. Notice the language I used here to describe the multiplication that is occurring. I'm using groups of. Now let's see how that language changes when I only have one group. On this slide, you can see it says one group of 8, which is a total of 8. My language changes very slightly from groups of to group of because I only have one group of something. Let's see how that language changes once again now that I don't have an entire group of something. Here I can either say 1/2 group of 8, but that sounds a little bit awkward, or I can say 1/2 of 8, which is a total of 4. So notice that when we don't have a whole group of something, this is still considered multiplication, but we're changing the language slightly to just say 1/2 of 8. Let's take a look at one more example. In this last example, we don't have a whole group, and in each group there isn't one whole item. Here we only have half of an item. So let's look at how the language is used here. Here we would say 1/2 group of 1/2, but that sounds a little awkward. So instead we would say 1/2 of 1/2. So if we started with 1/2 of an apple and we took 1/2 of that half of an apple, we would have a total of 1/4 of an apple. As you can see, each example in this presentation involves multiplication. It's just that multiplication looks a little bit different and sounds a little bit different when you don't have whole groups or the items in each group are less than one whole.